Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the virtual staging actor by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. It's used to transform an empty room photo into a professionally staged space in just a few minutes. No physical staging, no 3D modeling, and no design software required. This actor takes a photo of an empty room, combines it with a design brief you write, and generates a realistic staged render that respects the room's architecture, perspective, and lighting. It's designed for real estate listings, client presentations, before and after campaigns, and concept previews. Here's the result. So, let me show you how it works. First, add your room image. This can be an uploaded file or a link. Now this is where you describe your vision. For example, in this section, I asked to add a light tone sectional, a round wood coffee table, a slim media console with framed TV, a floor lamp, and a textured rug with greenery. The more specific you are about layout, style, and placement, the more predictable the results will be. If you want to use exact furniture or decor pieces, you can upload reference images. When you mention things like this sofa or this table in your brief, the actor will match those exact items in the render. This is especially useful for brand consistency or client-approved furniture. The AI temperature controls how creative the render can be. Lower values stick closely to the original photo, while higher values allow more interpretation. If you're not sure, leaving it empty uses a balanced default that works well for most listings. Once everything is set, start the actor. Renders usually complete in about 3 to 5 minutes. When the run finishes, the results appear in this dataset table. You'll get a staged image URL, the original image URL for before and after comparisons, and a clear list of what furniture and decor items were added to the room. You can then download the results as a PNG, JPG, or WebP. This actor is ideal for real estate teams, designers, and hosts who want fast, consistent staging without the cost of physical setups. And remember, if you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you like this actor, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.